Hey everyone. So, about 3 weeks ago, I was on Dr. Leonard's. I buy medical supplies for my brother-in-law. And they had these little tables. And they have I don't know if you can still see it or not, a little bit, a lighthouse on them. But they're nice, and they have, to put it together as a table. Not sure if that's what I'll use it for, because I do have the table legs, and they're white. But I thought I would love to do a dirty pour on one of these, and after it dries, maybe resin it. So that's what I'm going to work on today. I am going to pour 3 cups of paint, only because I may need to add somewhere else. And I did not... Yeah, I did. Okay. So I have Soho Prussian Blue, Artist Loft Turquoise, Artist Loft Light Blue, Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green, a little bit of Artist Loft Cobalt Blue Hue, Metallic Hue, whatever it's called, and white. And I am going to start with a little bit of white in the bottom, because then I'm going to shove this metallic down in there. So I'm pouring from up high, so it'll try to go to the bottom of the cup. And I do want to use it all, so... I'm beginning to think that that's not the color that it was. This looks like a peacock pearl or teal topaz. Let me just check this bottle here. Oh, that was a teal topaz. So that was the cobalt metallic blue from Artist Loft. Okay, I'm going to follow that with lime green. And then the Prussian blue. A little bit of white, layered. Artist Loft Turquoise. Back with the Prussian blue. The lime green, just a dab of white, and then the light blue right down the middle, and one more squirt of the Prussian blue. It's my favorite color. It's my favorite color. As it hit me, huh? So, let's see what we're going to get with this. I thought about doing a flip cup, but I would end up using all 3 of those cups, and I would have a ton of runoff. And I think I want a controlled pour. So if I see something funky going on, I can fix it with the next cup. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and move these. I'm going to start with this one that's got all the Prussian blue on the top. Let's see where to start. Let's go here. So I'm trying to drag it off the end a little bit. You know how I like those oceanic pours with the ribbon coming through, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. Got a ton of cells, holy cow. So then I'll bring this cup right alongside of it, swirl through. Wowza. I don't even know if I need this cup. I need something through there. You should see the cells in this cup. It's crazy. Can you see them? Okay. I do want a ribbon through here somewhere. Okay. I may need to put one more in, but we'll see. Okay, let me give it a torch, since we already have a ton of cells. Holy moly. That lacing is crazy. And I'm sure you can see it because it's just everywhere. So I'm gonna come, I think I'll come this way first. And I do have it on my banding wheel, so I can control it a little better. Getting all the paint together. This is going to be an awesome table. That green. Love it. Now it's just moving very slow. The sides are gorgeous. Okay, everything's covered. Okay. Gosh, I really like it like that. I just want to bring this down a little bit. I don't want to touch it. No, I'm going to leave it just like that. Stop touching it. I hear ya. Stop touching it. Leave it alone. I need someone that just slaps my hand and says, stop. Not bad. Let me torch it, get those air bubbles out. There's a ton of air bubbles. Don't need any more cells, that's for sure. It is just loaded with cells. I like that ribbon I put in there. It's kind of neat. Breaks it up, makes it not look like it's all poured on there at one time. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it, guys. Let me see if I can get you in a little closer. I'm gonna torch just a couple spots yet, where I can see cells trying to come up because the bubbles are there. Yeah, I had different plans for this. I was going to, oh, there's a lot of bubbles. I was gonna airbrush it, just put paint on it and just airbrush it. Try to do some flowers, but I thought, you know, I have two of these. Let's do this one the way I want it first. Then you can play with the other one. It's just so pretty. So if you're just joining me and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and subscribe. Click on the bell and you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook, Christina Welch Art, where you can see all these dried paintings that I do before they're listed for sale. And I am working on that, guys. My Etsy shop will be open by the weekend. Well, it is open. I'm selling St. Patrick's Day beads right now. And I have jewelry on there too. So that is also Christina Welch Art. That's my shop name. I've been on there since, gosh, 2006. So I have my clientele for beads there. But yeah, that was mostly Artist Loft paint. And there was treadmill silicone in there. And we got a ton of sales. So, cool. See you guys on the next one. Bye now.